Ace. This is a big box. Cleaning cloth. Card. Ooh. We got the Maxace Sandstorm and a load of laundry going. What is it? MM34 Sandstorm Integral. Yeah, these are pretty cool looking. What's this? First flick. Ooh. Flies right open. Nice black DLC blade. It's cool. It's got like 2 different finishes on the DLC. Got my fingers on it. Yeah, these are cool. Big old titanium integral. Look at that. Nice big thumb studs. A little bit of jimping. Thumb ramp. That feels good. It's a cool pattern on the titanium. Interesting travel stop. It does turn. I guess you can lock the lock bar, assume. No. 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 What does it do? Over travel stop. Maybe that's all it is, or I'm doing it wrong. See, that opens. That opens. That opens. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it does lock the lock bar. Just gotta turn it enough. It's kind of neat. Right, these are cool looking. Always kind of had my eye on these. Just never picked one up. Let's see, unlock that. Okay, just need to loosen up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's smooth. Don't really have the specs on them on hand. Just wanted to get open and unbox it. Take a quick first little look at it. Yeah, it's a big, awesome knife. Not super thick. But, yeah. Gotta get it way down there. It's got kind of 2 spots where it catches the detent ball. great. Just flies open once you break that detent. Reverse flick. Yeah. Cool. Just a quick unboxing of the big old Maxace Sandstorm. It's awesome. I'm gonna go check this out. Thanks for watching.